Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, this side Sejal. So today in this video I'll be describing you what is the meaning of going with the flow. Yes, in today's era we are every time listening just go with the flow, but what is the meaning of go with the flow? Yes, when I have heard this going with the flow or go with the flow, I don't understand what is the meaning of this. Everyone is saying go with the flow, go with the flow. When I have did my R&D, then I get to know what is the exact meaning of going with the flow. Yes, going with the flow means in a simple line that be in the present, don't think about the future or don't regret about the past. Yes, be in the present, enjoy the present, take action in the present and enjoy the process. Yes, we can take the example. If you are doing skiing, then you don't think about the present, you don't think about the future, you are enjoying the process, you are enjoying doing skiing, and also you know that in the next moment you have to take this step. Yes, so that is called go with the flow. And right now in today's era, people are not able to meet the timeline, they are not able to focus on one thing because there is too much distraction present in today's time. So I will tell you 7 important conditions for going with the flow which you can follow or which you can incorporate in your today's life for making the change, or you can say that you will be very focused after doing this in your life. So the first one is knowing what to do. Yes, knowing what to do means you have to be very particular or very specific that what will be I will do, what I will do, what I want to do. Because if you don't know, we can say in one line, that is what is the purpose of your life, what you want to do next. So knowing what to do is very important. Second one is knowing how to do. How to do means you have to be in mind that what is the process of doing this. For example, if you are making Maggie, then you know that what is the process of making Maggie. You have to take the fry pan, you have to chop the vegetables, then you have to take the oil and frying and adding water and cooking it for 2 to 5 minutes. Then that is called knowing how to do. Third one, knowing how well you are doing. uh, Everyone has one quality or one skill in which they are very good. So you have to know that one skill in which you enjoy it, in which no one can pushes you, no one can forces you if you want to do it. So knowing how well you are doing it. Next one, knowing where to go. Here, where to go means navigation, the direction, where you have to go, what next step you have to take. That is important. Next, perceiving significant challenges. Challenges in life are very important. So you have to be very ready regarding the challenges which will come in your life. Next, perceiving significant skills. In right now, skills are very important. So, in which skill you want to incorporate in your life, or in which skill you want to be very best, then you can opt that. And the last one is being free from distractions. In right now, distractions are very hampered all around. So, being focused in today's time is very difficult. So for that you can check my video which I have made, 4 habits that successful people are following. If you are following that habit, then you will never get distracted. Yes, so these are the 7 conditions for achieving flow. Achieving flow, or you can say going with the flow. Going with the flow means enjoying the process, enjoying the work, enjoying the life. So thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe and follow for more such important experiences updates with this. Thank you. Bye bye.